If you don't know where you want to go or what you want to do, you might feel stuck and frustrated. But if you have a vision, identifying specific stepping stones and goals like presentations, maybe a prestigious fellowship, or even your dream job, then you'll get there. By setting effective goals and tracking your progress in Chem IDP, you'll be more organized with your time and efforts and demonstrate the progress to yourself and to others. Writing down your goals increases the likelihood that you'll achieve them. Tracking your achievements shows success, which will keep you motivated. You'll also use these achievements in your resumes and job applications later on. Begin in Chem IDP by selecting a category that classifies your goal or accomplishment from the drop-down menu. Categorizing your goal helps you focus your efforts and sets priorities. Next, add a title and description. Then, enter the tactic or the strategy that you'll use to achieve the goal. Be sure to select a deadline too. Want to make sure you've set a good goal for yourself? Check out how to make a SMART goal. A SMART goal is defined as one that is specific, measurable, achievable, is reasonable, and time-bound, so it has a deadline. Each time you set a goal, make sure it's a SMART one. Check the box at the bottom for email reminders to help you stay on track. Once you're done creating your goal, click Save. When you've created a list of goals, you can view them in the My Goals section. Here, you can manage the list, change the status, deadline, and other details. And when you've achieved your goal, simply check Complete to save your goal as an accomplishment. Seeing all of your goals and accomplishments in one place can give you an overall snapshot of where you are on your career path. Navigating to view your plan and clicking your goals, you can print out, save a PDF, or send your goals to yourself or someone that can provide some perspective on your progress. When you have your goals and accomplishments ready to go, move to the Explore Career section that we'll cover in the next video. Head to chemidp.org to get organized and set your goals, and start your journey towards a satisfying career.